Hi everyone! Today I am creating a simple sketch using a blend of charcoal and a fountain pen. I love how these two materials work together. I used a charcoal pencil for the willow to create a soft organic look and a fountain pen for the delicate details. You'll also see how I use an eraser as a drawing tool to add highlights and make the sketch pop. This simple 5-minute technique is perfect for your daily sketchbook practice. I hope you enjoyed this mix of textures. What should I draw next? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and stay creative. See you soon!